So your other SAB page is page 48, and that's the distributive property. And I love the distributive property because I think it makes everything a lot easier because you're just kind of multiplying your numbers. So when you have A times B plus C, you can take A and just multiply it by each number. So A times B and A times C. So down here, discuss how you could use the distributive property to write each problem with only 2 factors. So basically, it is already in 7 times 25, 7 times 25. So what we could do is we could put 7 times 25 plus 75. Okay, because so we took, it was already like this. So your A is 7, so A times B, so B is 25. And then 7A times C, so your C is 75. So I rewrote it in the first form, 7 times 25 plus 75. So what does that equal? Well, what is 25 plus 75? 25 plus 75 is 100. 7 times 100 is 700. So you could do that easily in your head. So go ahead and try number 9. How would you rewrite it to match the distributive property? Okay, so this one's a little trickier because look, your A, your number that repeats itself is on the end this time instead of at the beginning. So to start you off, it would be 9 times, and then you can fill in the blanks and then solve mentally. And go ahead, and the rest is just asking you to use each property, and then down here you're going to discuss which property you're using. If you have trouble remembering, make sure you could rewatch the videos, or you could look, each of the properties are at the top of the page. And if you have any questions, raise your hand.